Hi guys, so today we are going to solve a puzzle question in the Codeforces. Its rating I think 900 and we will use the greedy approach as it has mentioned. So what's the basic of whole summary of this question is you have given n students and the n is 4 as you can see in the example, and there are 6 gifts you have. In this gift you have to select 4 gifts for the 4 students. Okay, so how will you do that? And the gifts are puzzles. Okay, and one thing you also have to remember that the difference between the puzzle should not be much very much greater or much least. Like there should be a balance. I mean, the difference between the like 5 and 22, there is a very large difference, 17 difference between them. So we don't want to give students that much apart, I mean difference of puzzle, because it will make for one student hard and for other it will make it for easy for him. Okay, so how we will do it, I will explain you through my code which I have written. Okay, so as you can see we have declared the variable n and m. After that we will enter the value, and after that we have declared a array, a vector array f, and its size is m. So first we enter all the values, okay, all the 6 values. After that we will sort. Why we will sort, I will tell you in advance. I mean, like the reason we sort it, because we want the order of the puzzles, like from starting from least to the max, what is the order of the puzzle. Okay, so it will make us easy to get the medium value of the puzzle, medium average, like max minus minimum value. We will get the best value, best difference between the puzzles. Okay, so as you can see, int ans is equal to int max. Okay, you can assign a variable over here. Inside this loop all the code the main logic is going on. So the for loop will iterate till m. Okay, and the I value increment like I plus n minus 1. Okay, every time. So n we all know 4, I is 0, minus 1. So 4 minus 1 3, I will be what, 3. Okay, so I is already 3 and m is 6, so it will iterate 3 times. Okay, so from 0 it will start. I here, what is that? It's the max value. Okay, like this, f under square bracket I plus n minus 1, it's a max value, and fi is the mean value, minimum value. So that's the reason we have sorted the array, so that we can easily calculate this. And throughout them we have also here assign a answer variable which is int max. Throughout that we will take the mean value. ans is already the maximum. Okay, so we will not take it, we will take them, and take them through what, we will calculate the value of this. Like for example, if I have what I can say, like for example, I have n is 3, f is 5, 7, 18, 12, 20. Okay, this is the array we have given. So, and it is sorted through sort method. We have sorted the array. So the first group will be like, which is start from the index 0, it is like 5, 7, 10. And if you see the difference will be like the max value will what we which we going to have is 10, and the minimum value will be going to have is 5. As you can see in this subarray, the minimum and the max value is 5 and 10. If we minus it, the answer will be 5. Okay, same goes for index 1. In that array, in that subarray will be 7, 10, 12. Okay, and the difference will be 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Okay, same goes for index 2, 10, 12, 20. Okay, and the difference will be 20 minus 10, it will be 10. So it's crossed the boundary which we have find out is 5. So through that, the final answer would be 5. Minimum minus max, we will get the 5. Okay, so through that we will get the answer 5. Okay, if we run the code, it had compiled successfully. Now execute it. Let's execute it. There is already a test case. Run it, and as you can see, answer is 5. It is correct. So as I explained you, that's how the code is working. We are using the greedy approach. As you can see, there are so many times we have used for loop and loops. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section.